Hello, Charles County community members. I am Maria Navarro, Superintendent of Schools. With me today is Dr. Dianna Abney, Charles County Health Officer. With the recent changes to the mask mandate for Maryland public schools and new COVID-19 guidelines recently announced by the CDC, I wanted to share a few updates with our school communities and encourage families to talk with health professionals about vaccine options. The Board of Education voted on February 28th to end the mask mandate in Charles County Public Schools. Mask use for students, staff, and any visitor to any of our schools and buildings is now optional. Mask use on school buses is also now optional for students and our bus drivers and attendants. I urge families to make their own decisions regarding student mask use and advise school system staff to do the same. I also encourage families to talk with their children about mask use and have a conversation about respecting the choices of others. Teachers nor staff will be monitoring mask use in schools or asking students to wear a mask. As a parent, I encourage families to discuss what masking options work best for their children, whether this applies to wearing a mask in schools or outside in the community. As a career educator, my focus is for Charles County Public Schools to continue its path towards moving to standard operations and prioritizing our work on educating children.
As the health officer for Charles County, I continue to urge residents to talk with their doctor about the COVID-19 vaccine. COVID vaccinations are now available for residents ages 5 and older. This includes the primary vaccination series as well as the booster vaccines for those ages 12 and older. I urge residents to get vaccinated for COVID-19 because it is the best protection against the virus. The Charles County Department of Health continues to host both free COVID-19 vaccination clinics during accessible hours as well as diagnostic testing. If you have not already received the vaccination or have concerns about vaccinating your child, please reach out to your family doctor to discuss the pros and cons of getting vaccinated. I also urge families to make their own personal decisions about mask use in the community. As a longtime Charles County physician, I support health measures available that combat COVID. Please visit the department website at charlescountyhealth.org for vaccine clinic information and testing resources. As Charles County and the rest of the country moves forward into year 3 of the COVID pandemic, public health officials will continue to monitor data and make data-driven decisions regarding community health. I appreciate the partnership the health department has with Charles County Public Schools and encourage those residents who have not yet sought vaccine options for their family to have discussions with their primary physicians.
Thank you for taking a few minutes to watch this video, and we look forward to a wonderful rest of the school year.